What it is, what it do, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm going to the shop because there is work that needs to get done on 7. Oh, what a glorious, glorious day. Brisk fall air. Definitely going to be hitting target boosts because it is boost season. Nice and quiet, but time to break that silence and piss off the neighbors with a cold start. So I reached out to Ryan at ARM. He saw the video, of course. Big shout out to them. And as far as pissing off the neighbors, they do what they do, and it is what it is. Now, I mean, he didn't really say that, but he did acknowledge that, you know, this is not uncommon to piss off neighbors with their exhaust. So anyway, they've hooked me up with a promo code. So if you guys are in the market to get your own downpipes and mid pipes, use my code OMAR10. It'll get you 10% off of any products that they have there. So anyway, on to the shop. I normally would do more like driving montages, you know, so you can see a little bit more of the Colorado landscape, but it literally lately has just been a whole lot of me dodging slow people in my 500 plus horsepower, wheel horsepower missile. Yeah, so we're not that far from the shop anyway, you know, thank God. All right, so we did make it to the shop in record time. I was supposed to be here at 10, it's like 10:25, so yeah, 20 minutes. I overslept, maybe. Update on Chich's car right here. So unfortunately, Chich's car did suffer catastrophic event, and the guys are trying to blame, they're jokingly trying to blame me. They're not really blaming me. They just like to razz me because they know I have somewhat of a conscience. But let's go inside. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sitting Pretty Auto Works. Woozy's Wraps. Okay, that's shut. That's open. Okay. Oh, hey.
Órale, sí.
It's Chicharron.
Oh, I'm good.
I was telling the boys about a bit of the catastrophic issue you had with your car.
Oh, dude, I sent her to the moon.
Like I said, they try to blame me for it. I mean, jokingly try to blame me for it. But hey.
Omar, the only guy I know that comes with a head gasket, ECU, 2 injectors, and a turbo on one drive.
A gingerly drive to Castle Rock, that is. This was the original turbo that came out of the car. This one actually blew in Texas, and you see the
blue one.
Well, that one.
That one's the one that we had going to Texas.
And
that one's the one that we got from the precision booth in Texas.
In Texas. So this one on the downpipe, there was the old mesh that got caught in the exhaust blades, and it fried the turbo. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, there you go. This one, after, what did you set at the track before that turbo decided to go?
I did a 125 on the roll race.
What was your trap speed?
Shorty with no launch, taking off from a dead stop, did a 119. But that was with the injectors starting to stick open. And now it's just like a tambourine. Oh, that's got its,
Oh, he fixed it.
It is.
Oh, maybe not.
Pretty sure it caused like 3 accidents when this happened because it just smoked out the highway so bad that you couldn't see anything.
What's gonna happen is he's gonna have to order another turbo, which sucks. So that means his 2.7 swap RS4 B5 7. His is gonna be down for a bit until you get another turbo, but it's gonna be up and running and back at it.
Oh, V8 Coupe Quattro.
V8 Coupe Quattro. Now again, I don't know how true this is going to be, but I saw renderings of a 2023 V8 Coupe Quattro. If Audi decides to make that, that would be stupidly dope. I don't know. I don't want to be the dude that believe everything you see on the internet, but that would be one thing I would love to believe. But yeah, this one is coming along. Apparently the other shop kind of jacked this up. What did they do? They welded.
They had to do custom mounts and shit, and the motor was, the trans was like angled towards the driver's side, and then the diff was angled towards the driver's side, and then they welded the drive shaft together so it had a little angle to it.
Apparently they like angles. I don't know.
No balancing, just angles.
Yeah, just angles. Right angles, hard angles. I don't know, man. Like I said, I think that will be a dope concept. It's just a V8 4.0 twin turbo Quattro Coupe as a swan song, because I know literally everything in Audi's lineup is going EV. I mean, it's gonna be a while, but they are definitely slowly killing off the gas motor. So come on, Audi, if you see this, make that a swan song. I would borderline risk divorce to get this. I'm joking when I say that, maybe. Yo, Chich has been straight working. Like he got to work and didn't even let me know that he was getting to work. But anyway, we had to drop the entire exhaust. Of course, you know you have to do that when you're doing the trans mount brace.
Drive shaft carrier?
There you go. Yeah, the drive shaft carrier. And I'm trying to hurry along here anyway. Trying to get caught up.
Dude, this is a sick trans mount brace, bro. Dude, you see this trans mount brace, dude?
No way.
Dude.
Is it even gonna work?
Dude, that's what's up, dude.
The drive shaft carrier. You guys knew what I meant. Like I said, I'm trying to slow him down to hurry me up. But anyway, here's the.
You guys knew what I meant.
Here is the drive shaft carrier, Silly Rabbit Motorsports. That's in there. So the next thing is, shout out Shorty, is the trans service. See, I'm thinking trans, brace, blah, 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 blah. So the next thing is gonna drop the fluid in the transmission. That way they can replace it. It's been sitting for about an hour or so. Don't you dare. I see you. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Say hello to my little
Look here, man. Oh my God. See, this is the shit that I gotta deal with. Ow, ow. Okay. Well, you know, payback's a bitch.
What it is. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Just,
SRM, you make a really good trans.
can you just drain the fluid from the transmission, please?
I would not. I don't offer fluid draining services
Oh my
here.
God. All right, so the lines are installed. Flex fuel sensor will be installed. We ran into an issue with the actual sensor itself, so we need to find a resistor for it. The drive shaft carrier is installed, and I had to wind up taking my X pipe out, the APR X pipe, because the person that previously welded it didn't do a great job, and it was leaking, so I had to just take it off. The car's gonna sound different. I still love the way it sounds. Also remember what I said. If you guys are in the market for mid pipes and down pipes or anything, Audi, BMW, use Omar 10 and you'll get 10% off at ARM. So I'm gonna leave Shorty here as he hunts for his 4.0 project. All right, Shorty, I gotta go.
Yes, sir.
I'll holler at you later, bro. As always, like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video, and I'll holler at you the next one.